So the October 2023 Visa Bulletin was finally released. This is the first Visa Bulletin for the fiscal year of 2024, and it was a little bit disappointing. Hello everybody, and welcome back to our Immigration channel. This is where we explain complex immigration matters in short, simple videos. We make immigration easy. And in this video, we'll talk about the October 2023 Visa Bulletin that was just released. We'll talk about what advances there are. There are quite a few advances, especially in the employment-based categories as well as family-based categories. But overall, it was a little bit disappointing. We expected more from this Visa Bulletin. So it's important to understand what advanced, what hasn't advanced, and what is going to happen this fiscal year moving forward. Before we dive in, if you're here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, click the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos, and also give us a big like so YouTube will be able to show this video to more people just like you. As always, if you need help with your immigration matters, all you have to do is send me a text, 619-483-4549. I'm here to help you. So the October Visa Bulletin has been released, the first Visa Bulletin for the fiscal year 2024, and it was released quite late in the month. They had a lot of data to go through, and as a result, the Visa Bulletin was just released now. So let's take a look at this Visa Bulletin at a glance. First, the Department of State and USCIS have advanced most employment and family-based categories in the October 2023 Visa Bulletin. And this is reflecting new numbers that are now going to be available for fiscal year 2024. This is an indication that down the line, we're going to see more movement this fiscal year as more numbers are going to become available. At the end of the day, this will depend on how much demand for employment-based visas we'll see this year, and according to that, the Visa Bulletin will be adjusted. Unfortunately for India, category EB1 never reached the cutoff for July of 2023. If you remember, in 2023, EB1 for India was actually current at some point. In this Visa Bulletin, they did advance 5 years. Now they moved from 2012 to 2017 category EB1A for India, but it's still a long wait for applicants who are applying in this category. My prediction that the EB1A category will continue to advance and hopefully eventually will reach the cutoff date of February 1st, 2022, if not become current sometime this year. But for the rest of the world, Mexico and the Philippines, EB1A category is now current again, and we also predicted that in previous videos. And finally, EB3 category for India advanced by 3 years to May 1st, 2012. As you can see, when the State Department realizes how many visas they have available, they'll be able to advance these categories even further. Moving forward for November as well as December, we're definitely going to see small movements every single month, both in family and employment-based categories. For employment-based, you need to follow the dates of filing chart if your priority date is current, or within that, if your priority date is current within that chart, dates of filing, and you're inside the United States, you'll be able to file your adjustment of status. For family-based petitions, you're going to be following the final action dates chart. If your dates are current, you'll be able to file your adjustment of status inside the United States. Now let's jump into the charts as we do every single month. Let's analyze and also discuss how much movement we actually seen in some of these categories. Starting with family-based categories, final action dates. F1 category for the rest of the world is now at January 1st, 2015. China is at January 1st, 2015. India is January 1st, 2015. Mexico is April 22nd, 2001. And the Philippines is at March 1st, 2012. Moving to the F2A category. F2A, rest of the world, is February 8, 2019. China is February 8, 2019. India is February 8, 2019. Mexico is February 1st, 2019. And the Philippines is February 8, 2019. So as you can see, for F2A category, most of the world, including India, China, and the Philippines, advanced by 1 year and 1 month to February 8, 2019. F2B category, rest of the world, is September 22nd, 2015. China is September 22nd, 2015. India is September 22nd, 2015. Mexico is January 1st, 2002. And the Philippines is October 22nd, 2011. The major advancement in F2B category is Mexico, January 1st, 2002, advanced by 5 months. F3 category, rest of the world, is January 8, 2009. China is at January 8, 2009. India is January 8, 2009. Mexico is March 8, 98. and the Philippines is June 8, 2002. The only movement in F3 is for Mexico. It's 1 month movement from the previous Visa Bulletin. And F4 category, rest of the world, April 22nd, 07. China is April 22nd, 07. India is October 8, 2005. Mexico is August 1st, 2000. And the Philippines, August 22nd, 2002. For dates of filing chart, there's no change from the previous month. Let's move to the employment-based chart, the final action dates. Let's see what's happening there. First category, EB1, rest of the world is current. China is on February 15, 2022. India is January 1st, 2017. Mexico is current. And the Philippines are current. EB1 is now current for the rest of the world, Mexico and the Philippines. EB1 for China advanced 14 days to February 15, 2022. And India, as mentioned before, advanced to January 1st, 2017. 5 years advance from the previous Visa Bulletin, and we hope to see further advancement this fiscal year. EB2 category. For the rest of the world, it's July 8, 2022. China is at October 1st, 19. India is January 1st, 2020. India is January 1st, 2012. Mexico is July 8, 2022. And the Philippines is July 8, 2022. As you can see, EB2 advanced for most of the world, Philippines and Mexico, by 8 days. EB2 for China advanced by 2 months. EB2 for India advanced by 1 year to January 1st, 2012. Moving to the EB3 category, rest of the world is at December 1st, 2021. China is at January 1st, 2020. India is at May 1st, 2012. Mexico is December 1st, 2021. And the Philippines is December 1st, 2021. As you can see, EB3 for the rest of the world, Mexico and the Philippines advanced by 1 year and 7 months. That's a pretty nice advancement, and hopefully we're going to see further movement in this fiscal year. EB3, India advanced to May 1st, 2012. This is over 3 years advancement in the EB3 category. Moving to the fourth preference, the rest of the world is January 1st, 2019. China is January 1st, 2019. India is January 1st, 2019. Mexico, January 1st, 2019. And the Philippines, January 1st, 2018. EB5, fifth preference, is current for the rest of the world. China is October 1st, 2015. India is December 15, 2018. Mexico is current, and the Philippines are current. So once again, as I mentioned before, moving to November 2023 and beyond, we're going to see definitely more movement in the Visa Bulletin, depending on Visa's availability and the demand. But again, we definitely expect movement, and hopefully that movement is going to be bigger than what we've seen in this Visa Bulletin. Again, as we advance in the year, they're going to know more about demands and availability, and based on that, they'll be releasing those Visa numbers. As always, we'll keep you posted here on this channel and keep updating the Visa Bulletin videos every single month. Again, if you need help with your immigration matter, all you have to do is send me a text message, 619-483-4549. I'm here to help you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.